Yo, what is going on? It is Tuesday, January 20th, 5:37 p.m. And today, I did not take a trade. I will say patience kind of played out a little bit today in a way. It made me, I want to say patience. It helped me today from getting break even. Then I had some other stuff I want to go over throughout the day. So let's take a look. Excuse me. So coming into the day, we had pretty range bound conditions as we had this 4 hour in London high right here. And then we had London low and just, yeah, that below. And we had some pretty decent bearish order flow if we take a look right here. Now, at the time of open, we were back trending bullish. However, I wanted to see us tag that 4 hour and then possibly get an entry lower. If we take a look at right here, there's 4 hours between golden pocket and OTE of said range. So if we get a nice rejection off of that, I'd be willing to take a short on London low to continue the bearish order flow. But again, where's open? This is open. Where's it at? So just very range bound conditions. I personally was just leaning bullish towards London high at open because of that 4 hour being paired with London. I felt as though it was just a stronger draw on liquidity than the session low being on its own. Just, yeah, personal preference. So then after that, we got an early entry that I faded because I felt as though the 5 minute was going to be a stronger entry. Like I just wanted to see us like pump this out because we had just inversed this stronger 1 minute to the downside. Granted, it was a weaker inverse, but it was strong displacement. And then we barely inverse this one to the upside. I thought we were just going to do that and then run back down to this 5 minute, then get the entry higher to these Asia highs. So I was just going to be patient. I want to take the best possible setup possible. Damn, I said possible a lot. But that never happened. Honestly, would have gotten break even right here because if we take a look, ES would have SMT'd with the break even point, which this would have been where I went break even right here, and we would have gotten break even pretty quickly. After that, we just chopped around. As you can see, a lot of just chop. In here, we really leave no inverses. This would have 100% never be a trade I take 10 minutes after. Then we start displacing up. This gives clear indication that we do want to be bullish. So now my new target is these Asia highs. And then we had some buy side. And of course, NWOG still remaining above gave me really strong bullish indication. Holy shit, we sold off a lot. What the fuck? I didn't even realize that. Okay. So yeah, once we start pumping up, I want to see a entry, but accordion. We fucking accordion. There's not shit in here. Nothing. There was a 30-second entry up here. Where's it at? With these equal lows. What are you at, brother? So this would have been a fucking juicy 30-second entry. I'm just not like crazy about that 30-second, bro. That's all that it is. I've gathered information on it. It's nothing crazy to me. I'm okay. I'm decent with it. Would have been a nice little 1-to-1 right here to these equal lows. But bro, I don't know. I wanted to see the 1 minute form out of this. Right, where's that 1 minute would have been? Right here. But as you can see, these fucking wicks decided to be a bitch and not let us get a beautiful entry down there. We then had another entry up here because again, we then rebalance this price leg and then we continue higher. If we take a look, what does price do? Price moves to seek equilibrium and seek liquidity. Oh shit, so it would have been a long. So what do? We hit OTE of the range and then trend back upwards. Right here was another really good indication of price moving to seek liquidity of price legs. Price moving to seek liquidity and rebalance price legs. Here is an entry that I want to say patience helped me test, but it could be iffy. So right off the bat, I was already not focused on the charts. I had another teacher come in. But what we can show right here is the fact that we were already strongly SMT'd. Not strongly, it's not a swing low, but we were SMT'd here. So we're SMT'd with this 5 minute. This technically is, not technically, but this is OTE of said range. Or if you want to be a little bit more technical, that's actually equilibrium of this price leg. Almost equilibrium. Would it have been equilibrium? I'll count it. Just damn near equilibrium. But yeah, OTE of this price leg with a pretty strong rejection. And honestly, this could have definitely been a trade I taken. However, I say patience plays because what do I always say? 9:30 to 11. This entry would have came at 11:07. That's just who I am. And honestly, probably would have TP'd. I'm going to be honest. I don't see myself like being crazy holding to that London. Let's see. Because I had it marked out here. So it would have been, it actually low-key would have been this entry. Would we have gotten to these high? Yeah, nah. Never mind. We have even gotten 1.5. No, never mind. It would not have been TP whatsoever. Yeah, never mind. But yeah, again, nothing on here. I have to take my trade tonight on this account just for the don't lose it. But yeah, after that, man, we just this trade was looking really nice with that displacing candle, and then we just dumped off. So yeah, patience for me today. I just try to play it patient. I say I followed my rules to the T. Like, you can't ask for more. I say 9:30 to 11 as my entry. This entry alone is a great entry. However, 9:30 to 11. This happened at 11:07, so that's technically out of my rules. So it would have been not the best setup. What I do need to do is be more attendant towards SMTs with gaps. I need to be willing to just count those as fills. Yeah, I'm willing to open up more as far as my spectrum of what I would take as a trade. Even on this trade back here, I need to take something like this. This isn't bad whatsoever. Do we have an SMT at this low? Let's see. See, we have a bullish SMT, no bullish SMT, no bullish SMT. Still, nonetheless, nah, maybe not. We had that 5-minute right here. Conditions wise, this isn't crazy. Like, I'm not crazy about this. We have some pretty good displacement. Oh no, we did get into. Oh my gosh, I'm just a shitter. I'm genuinely a shitter. Poor recognition on me, bro. Poor fucking recognition on me. Poor recognition on me. Poor recognition. It wasn't a crazy big price leg. We had 2 5 minutes. Is this a no, the 15 wasn't open yet. What was piano? Was it piano in already? Not the best conditions right off start, but still, man, I gotta take that. Yeah, this is definitely something I should be taking. Beautiful rejection, yeah. I didn't even realize. That's on me, guys. That's 100% on me. Or is it? Yeah, it's on me. I thought those were equal lows for a second. Or is it? Can I? Oh. So we weren't equal load either. 4475. 43. Yeah. That 110% is just on me, man. Can't be missing out on these opportunities. And then the second trade, patience. Patience plays over here because I said 11:07 was not in my trade time, so I just didn't take it. Was talking to another teacher and I just let it be. Didn't have any shit. Didn't have any FOMO. Didn't have anything. Called it a day. Let it be. If it hit. I would have hoped it would have hit. If not, just call it a day. Other than that, man, nothing else really in here. Just, yeah, bro, I'm day by day just trying to take it calm, smooth, be patient, and it'll play out. It's about it, really. So yeah, I'm gonna see like how to use DaVinci right now. So if the editing's ass, it's because of that. Got the new setup bussin'. New PC down there. Had a fucking pain in the ass story with this bullshit. Yeah, class started today. Fuck class. Had to pay $300. That would have been my eval money. Other than that, that's it. That's all I got for today. Tomorrow we have news finally. Today we didn't really have news. We got this fucking motherfucker speaking. Right, hopefully he's off stage by the time market's open. And then Thursday we got news. Friday we got news. It's gonna be a good week. I'm gonna smack something. I have a good feeling about it. So yeah. Also, what I said on Friday was I wanted my goal to be make $1,500 this week. Why am I putting it into $ perspective? That's not the correct way to do it. The correct way would have been to say, let's have a 60% win rate taking only good setups, or a 65% win rate taking only good setups. That's the right way to put it. I don't want to seek the $ amount. That's not what we're here seeking. Yeah, that's nice. That's obviously, something like that we want to get into at the end of the day, but that's not everything. That's not the right way to set your goals. It's not the right way to leave your perspective, because at the end of the day, you're going to end up chasing. You're going to end up falling in the traps that you are actually strong enough to avoid, whatever. And yeah, that $ amount will kill you. It will haunt you. It will make you impatient. Speaking of that, like I was talking about patience today, connection. And yeah, it'll just not let you be in your own element and force you to be a shitty trader. Remember that. I just dropped some sauce. Damn, I need to cut. I'm chopped. It's like, nigga, I'm never chopped. But yeah, all right. Peace, love, positivity.